Hello everyone, this is Paukshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to give you a review of the dress I made for my daughter Caroline. She is a dancer. This dress was made for her Latina classes. This is a leotard. The dress is decorated with the fringe and crystals. As I've already said, this is a leotard. The dress is bright, so it's perfect for Caroline's Latina classes. The dress fits Caroline perfectly. Caroline, turn around, please. She loves the dress. She says that it's very comfortable. You saw this dress on Caroline, and now I put it on the table to give you its full review. I want to be honest with you. I don't ever make patterns for leotards. I take the one Caroline wears at the moment and make a new one on its basis. There's no need for me to reinvent the wheel. Make a pattern on the basis of the ready-made leotard and sew any dress you want. Decorate it with beads, crystals or any other details. Of course, you can make a pattern yourself. It's just that it's pretty hard to sew leotards. You need to think about the type of fabric, the position of the darts. You need to think of the ways to make the leotard fit the body perfectly. I think that it's too complicated. This is the secret which I wanted to share with you. While my mother, Irina, is not here to stop me. Use the leotards which suit your kids perfectly for sewing new ones. There is a seam on the waistband. I inserted a circle skirt in it. There is a wrap over on the front. I added 5 cm extension for the wrap over. Have a look here. This is how it looks like now. We've already showed you how to make circle skirts, so I'm not going to show it to you again. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. I've stitched the dress with a cover stitch sewing machine. Unfortunately, it's hard to stitch knitted fabrics with the household sewing machines. What else is interesting in this dress? The crystals. They are of chameleon color. There are a lot of crystals in this dress. Do you want me to teach you how to work with them? Write comments if you do. The shape of the crystals matches the direction of the stripes in the fabric. I tried different options, but I like the one with the symmetric placement better. You can decorate the dresses however you want. Make circle skirts. Make feet and flare skirts. You can also attach fringe right to the leotard and make a skirt of it. Don't think that you can decorate only the dance dresses this way. Use crystals, fringe, and any other ideas to decorate dresses for different occasions. I'm not talking only about the dresses for the kids. Decorate your dresses as well. We all go to parties, proms, weddings. Let's be different and beautiful together. That's all for today. We are Olya and Caroline. Subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.